Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today, we're going to check out the crypto market. And I just quickly want to say to you guys that whenever you start making assumptions about the markets based on fundamental developments, that without a doubt, you will always have fundamentals and biases and basically market sentiment controlling the market, right? So whenever you're facing a steep correction towards the downside, there's always a fundamental catalyst. There's always something that allows people to sell their positions and that basically makes them bearish, which is then reflected into the price. Now, if we use the concept of smart markets, which basically means that whatever happens in the market is priced into the market, then we also know that by making these assumptions, right, by looking at the price and thinking, oh, all right, I think we can go down until 20,000. I think we can go down to 25K. Whatever you're hearing based on fundamentals is priced into the market, right? We are not going down because everyone thinks that everything is going to be okay. We're going down because people are unsure about the future. And when you're unsure about the future, you tend to sell your positions, you tend to be more risk averse, and then you tend to reach a specific price in which people think, well, there might be some uncertainty, but I think I could buy here, right? And now the goal of a move like this is basically to make people sell their positions, right? They want to buy your coins at a discount, therefore there will be fear in the markets, and therefore when you start to give into that fear, and you are not rational and you're not looking at the price action that's presented to you, then you will sell your coins, right? And maybe you've done this before. Maybe you've sold over here, maybe you've sold over here, maybe even on this low over here. But once you start seeing the patterns in the market, once you start using technical analysis, for example, you will start to see that there's always a fundamental catalyst in the market. And what you need is a plan, a strategy, and basically some skills to guide you in order to really start being consistent in the market. So right now, I am trading this range just like I would always trade this range. Now, how could we know that this move was coming to an end? Well, basically, we had some levels that we wanted to see being reached, and then we were also making a strategy, basically getting this 39,600 level, for example, in order to prepare ourselves for what is there to come. So when we dropped below this 40,750 level, I said, okay, then we will see this level over here being hit, which is exactly what happened. And then yesterday, I said that we will probably see a small pullback towards 41,250-ish. And that's exactly where we eventually stopped. I had 41,258 as a level in the market outlook, and we perfectly hit that level. So we saw a big spring towards the upside, a big correction getting back to that level. And now we're seeing another impulse towards the upside. So am I too late to scale in right now? Well, if you want to buy in right now, the probability dictates that you will probably see a small pullback. This pullback, I believe, will reach 41,895, which is, for me, a beautiful level to scale in. Why is it a beautiful level to scale in? Well, we had a huge correction towards the downside. Then we started rejecting. We started rejecting. We started rejecting again. We started rejecting again. And now we had this peak fear moment where we broke under all these lows and swept people out of the market. And now it's time to start moving up impulsively, because people don't want you to buy in at these levels. They want you to buy in at these levels or these levels over here. So you'll probably see that right now, FOMO will start to return into the market. People will start to buy very rapidly. Increase in buying volume over here and over here. So I will take my opportunity when it is being presented. So right now we are at the range highs. I do believe that we can go back to the point of control at 41,895. This is also a confluence with the 0.382 fib. We've taken out these highs over here, picked up some liquidity, and now we're going towards this level over here. Then I predict that we will go further towards the upside, first to 43,842, and then towards this selling area over here of 46,258 until 47,244. That's my outlook for Bitcoin. That's what I'm preparing for. We could see this level over here, 44,400, also being hit, but this is basically what I'm preparing for and what I'm betting on. So I have an alert set over here, 41,920, and that will perfectly prepare me for what's there to come. So this is my outlook on Bitcoin for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned from this. I hope you are prepared, and I hope you're learning from your mistakes as well when you didn't recognize the patterns that were being presented, because that's the way you develop as a trader, and that's what I would love everyone to do so they can earn more money in the markets. All right, everyone, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.